Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable service mode on Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. So let's do it. So to do that, just hit the phone icon and here you must type *0011# and this is the service mode. If you hit here on these 3 points, you can input your keys, or you can select whatever row do you want, or you have access to Wi-Fi, and here they are the Wi-Fi details. Okay, so it is very easy to enable service mode on Samsung Galaxy S8. Just type *0011# and here is the service mode. So I hope this short tutorial to be useful for you, and have a nice day.